Hello, Namaste everyone. Severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, this new virus ringing danger bells around the world. Seeing this video makes you understand the spread of this virus in your locality based upon the climatic conditions around you. COVID 19 virus doesn't exist in nature alone directly, but it floats in air in the form of saliva droplets. The virus inside this droplet cannot exist if we can increase the temperature of the droplet to an extent of 56 degrees centigrade. If it takes more time to increase the temperature of saliva droplet, it exists around us for longer time, thereby increasing the spread of virus, giving risk to more number of cases. This phenomena of increasing the temperature of saliva droplet depends on various factors. First one is thermal conductivity. Second one, temperature. Third one, humidity and relative humidity. Fourth one, altitude. Fifth one, specific heat. Let us go into these topics in detail. Thermal conductivity. The rate at which heat flows from body at higher temperature to body at lower temperature is called thermal conductivity. Generally, the thermal conductivity of solids is greater than liquids, is greater than gases. That is why we are hearing in various news channels that this virus stays on copper surface for 3 hours, on paper for 1 day, on surgical mask for 7 days, like this. Next factor, temperature. Areas which are having lower temperature will be affected more than higher temperature areas. Humidity. The amount of water vapor in air is called humidity. To understand humidity effect, look at this example. Let there be a saliva droplet around you and the humidity in that area is 40% at a temperature of 35 degrees centigrade. Come to another area which is having same temperature but the humidity is 20%. Look at the sketch. The saliva droplet is surrounded by 40% water vapor and 60% air. Now, the thermal conductivity of air is lesser than water. Also, water vapor has more specific heat compared to air and hence can release more heat to saliva droplet. Whereas, the area which is having only 20% humidity has lesser water vapor and therefore takes more time to increase the temperature of saliva droplet to 56 degrees centigrade. The next important factor is altitude. If an area is at higher altitude, the effect of corona will decrease. Let us understand this with simple example. Try to boil a cup of coffee on mountain. You will observe on mountain it takes lesser time to boil the coffee than on ground. This is because the pressure at higher altitudes is less and thereby we can increase the temperature at faster rate. We can understand this with another example also. Let us consider two areas, Ahmedabad and Hyderabad. These two areas are having same temperatures, same humidity levels. But the effect of corona in Ahmedabad is greater compared to Hyderabad. Because Hyderabad is at a height of 540 meters, whereas Ahmedabad is at a height of 50 meters. At very low heights, it takes more time to increase the droplet temperature to 56 degrees centigrade, whereas in Hyderabad, it takes lesser time to increase the droplet temperature to 56 degrees centigrade. Thereby, the spread of coronavirus will be affected. Relative humidity. This is very important factor. If you understand this, you will understand why the cases are more in Mumbai and Chennai. Relative humidity. The ratio to the amount of humidity present in a particular area to the total amount of humidity that it could hold is called relative humidity. Let us understand this with a simple example. Take a beaker, fill it with 60% of water. What is the remaining level we can fill it? It is 40%. If we further increase to 70, we can fill 30%. If we increase it up to 80%, the remaining is 20%. If we fill it up to 100%, it could not hold any extra water in it. That means if the relative humidity in the atmosphere is very high, saliva droplets will not be in air. They will be on surfaces. Surfaces means it might be on human body, it might be on roads, it might be on windows, it might be on walls, anywhere. It is not a problem if the droplets are on various surfaces at higher temperature, because at higher temperature the droplets which are on surfaces can be killed easily, but the virus which is on human body cannot be killed very quickly, because at higher temperature and higher humidity the person is going to sweat, and using this sweat coronavirus is spreading at a rapid rate. That is why places like Mumbai and Chennai are having lot of cases. Concluding the video, what I want to say is, dear friends, if in your area the humidity is less and also your area is at lower altitude, please be careful wearing a mask, because the virus is going to stay in atmosphere for longer time. This is what happened in areas like Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Delhi, etc. And also, if in your area the relative humidity is very high and also temperature is high, you are going to sweat a lot and the virus is going to stay on your body for longer time. This is what happened in Mumbai and Chennai. In this rainy season, especially if you are going out, look at the weather conditions, look at the humidity levels, look at the temperature levels, and understand how the virus is going to be stay in air or surfaces. This will help you definitely. Thank you.